CCW Hurricane, I told Tap Out that there was going to be a huge announcement for tonight on Lightning. And there is a big announcement. And it's concerning Tap Out. You see, tonight was supposed to be Brandon versus Tap Out. And whoever won that match would get the BWE Championship title match in the main event of the biggest pay-per-view of the year for BWE, and that's Wrestle. But you see, Tap Out is still injured. You see, that doesn't work for me. Because he was still able to do his little finisher move on me and walk away. But yet, he can't wrestle me tonight. I'm still going to be in action tonight. I told y'all it was going to be Brandon versus Tap Out. But damn it, I put myself in a match for tonight. Because if I can't face Tap Out, I'm going to face somebody with a championship. And that's the Sonic Champion, Hellraiser. And that's some hell of a competition right there. I've lost my BWE Championship to him multiple times. But you see, tonight, I'm going to beat the Sonic Champion. And show Tap Out that I'm not messing around. And that I deserve the title shot at Wrestle. But here's where it gets interesting. Tap Out, if you are not here on Lightning and here to face me, if you're not here next week on Lightning to face me, then you ain't getting your title shot. Because next week on Lightning, it's going to be Brandon versus Tap Out. No disqualification match. The winner gets the BWE Championship title match at Wrestle. But if you don't show up, Tap Out, if you don't show up, then you don't get the match, and it automatically goes to me. You see, I'm trying to give you a chance here. I'm trying to give you your title shot, but you gotta earn it. You don't just get handed title shots, no. I've worked my ass off to get all my title shots. And now, you're going to do the same damn thing. Yes, you won the Rock and Rumble. Yes, you won the ladder match at Revenge. But I signed the contract. But I'm trying to give you a chance, Tap Out. I'm trying to give you the chance. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go beat Hellraiser's ass. But you better show up to Lightning, or your title shot chance is done.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. side of me I never let you see. I keep it caged but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep hid under lock and key. I keep it caged